Hello students, welcome to the SourceCode learning sessions on Indian number system for class 5 students. SourceCode is one of the leading names help students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skill. Let's start. Today we are going to learn about how to form a number with a given digit. Now let's see what is the rule for that. To write the largest number using the given digit, without repetitions of the digit, write the digit in descending order and then write the number using the digit written in descending order. Now let's cite one example. Now any number I am taking, any 9 digit. These are all the 9 digits. Now using this 9 digit, we have to form the largest number. So how I will form the largest number? So let's see. First I will arrange all the digits in descending order. So what is the descending order means? Big to small. First will come 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Have you seen the number I have arranged in descending order? Yes. Now can you see this is the largest number? Simply we have to arrange the digit in descending order. Now come to the next part. In the next part, it has been given to write the largest number using the given digit without repetitions of the digit. Arrange the digit in ascending order. Sorry, here it will be the smallest. Here one mistake is there. It will be smallest. How I will write? Come to the now. Again, any digit. So these are all the digits given. Now using this, I have to form the smallest number. So to write the smallest number using the given digit, what we need to do? Without repetition, arrange the digit in ascending order. Let's arrange in descending order. So without repetition, so 7 will be not there. Here it will come. Okay. Now let's see. First we have to arrange in ascending order. So first is 3 will come. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. After 5, 7. After 7, 8. After 7, 9. This is the smallest number formed by using the given digit. Now suppose in between this number, one 0, in between this digit, one 0 is there. So where I will put the 0? If I will put here, that means it is not a 7-digit number. It is a 6-digit number, because we everyone know that if 0 putting here, it doesn't have any value. So instead of putting 0 in the beginning, I will put 0 in the second place. And I will remove this one. Now can you see? Now it has been formed that smallest digit, smallest number by using the given digit. Let's erase it. Now come to the next slide. Now come to exercise 2B. It has been given in the question, fill in the blanks with greater than or less than. Let's see. 23,165, 18,742. So what will be the answer here? Yes. Now see, first digit same, second 22 also same, 78 also same, last this is 173 and 107. So come to the next, obviously it is visible. The number of the digit is showing only which is bigger, which is smaller. And the next slide, see, next number, 54 here, 57 here. So obviously, is it okay? Yes. Now come to the next part. Find out the smallest and the greatest number from the given sets of numerals. So here few numbers are given. The first question is there. First is A. What are the number? First I will write down the number 2. Then 582. 582. Then the number is 2852. 2852. Then it is 2825. Then 528. So these are all the numbers. Now from here you have to write down the greatest. Let's see the greatest first. Greatest. So what is greatest here? See, this is 25, 28, 28. So yeah, 2852. 2852. The second smallest is, smallest will be okay. It should be not 8. It should be 285. So smallest will be 2,285. In this way, you have to do the next 3 sums. Now write the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 1 with 4 zeros. Like same way, largest 7-digit number is 7 nines. Now the next part question, which I just explained in the previous slide, same question has been given here. Here, 4 digits are given. What are the 4 digits? 8, then 7, then 3, then 1. Now using these 4 digits, you have to form first greatest. So what is the greatest number? So for that, what I will do? Simply I will arrange in descending order. 8, 7, 3, 1. Now for the smallest, what I will do? Simply I will arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Same way you have to do with some number B. Now come to the next question 6. Here 7 digits have been given here. So what are the digits? 3, then 0, then 4, then 6, then 9, then 5. Using this digit, first I have to arrange greatest. For greatest, what I need to do? Simply I have to arrange in big to small. So let's start. 9, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 0, 4, 3, 0. So this is my, any number is missing? No. This is my greatest. Now come to the next one. For the smallest, what I need to do? I have to arrange simply in ascending order. So ascending order 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. But is it correct? No. Why? Because in the beginning I have mentioned 0. And if I am mentioning 0 here, so this number is not 6-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. So to make it 6-digit number, what I will do? Instead of putting 0 in the beginning, I will put 0 in the second position. Now I will erase it. Now this is the smallest 6-digit number using the given digit. Now your exercise 2B, I have explained your exercise 2B. So you need to complete this exercise 2B. Now come to the next slide. Now in this slide, I will explain you Indian place value chart and international place value chart. One video already I sent you, which there we are told what is international and what is Indian place value chart. Now look at this Indian place value chart. First is unit place, then thousand place, then lakhs place, then crores place. Under unit, it is a division of 3, that is ones, tens, 100. Under thousand, same 1,000, 10,000. Under lakhs, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Under crore, 1 crore, 10 crore. Now, In Indian place value chart, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If for a 9-digit number, if I want to put it, write down the number in Indian place value chart for a 9-digit number. So how I will write? 987654321. This is a 9-digit number. So see, under unit, this 1, 2, 3. This is unit place. Before that, I will put one comma. After that, thousand place 1 and 2. 1, 2. So here 2. Again 2. So now the number is 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. But in international place values chart, unit has been divided into 3 groups. Same thousand is divided into 3 groups, and million is also divided into 3 groups. How they have divided? 1, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. For the same number, if I am writing a number here, that is 987654 2 3 2 1. How I will write down? Where I will put the comma? After 3. Now see, after 3 1 comma, again after 3 1 comma, again after 3. So there is a division 3 3 3 for international, and for Indian it is 2 2 2, and the last is 3. So how I will read in international? This will be 987,654,321. Let's come to next slide, where I will explain few more sums. Write the given number. Now you have to write down in word. First you check the number 1, 2, 3. After 3 number, 3 digit, 1 comma is there. Again after 3 digit, 1 comma is there. Again after 3 digit, and 1 comma is there. From this number you come to know this is in international. So how I will write? Let's write. First one will be 100, 23 million, then 456,000 and 234. Oh. Same number when I want to write down in Indian, so the number will be same number I want to write down in Indian. Now let's see. The number will be 12 crore 34 lakh, sorry, lakh 12 crore 34 lakh 56,789. 56,789. So am I clear to you? So same digit, but while writing in Indian, it is after 2 digit we are putting the comma in Indian, and after 3 digit we are putting comma in international. So Hope you have understood. Okay. So I will come next day with international number system more with this chapter. Till then you have to complete exercise 2B. 2B you need to complete. 2B you need to complete. Exercise 2B. 2B you need to complete. And page number 19, 20 need to finish. Page number. Okay. Okay, student. Thank you. Thank you.